But if you position, if you use, we will do wonders. From my state, always while promoting India, I am having my own agenda. That is how to promote Andhra Pradesh. Earlier, I promoted combined Andhra Pradesh. I created best ecosystem Hyderabad. Because of bifurcation, it has gone to Telangana. Now, because of Hyderabad, 75% revenue is coming from Hyderabad for Telangana. Today, I can say proudly, Telangana highest per capita income in the country. All these things happened 25 years time. And also most livable city of our standards. Now, God has given me one more opportunity to create one more city. That is Amaravati. Hyderabad was a brownfield city. Amaravati is a greenfield city. Lot of opportunities. I am requesting all of you to have better name for tomorrow. You should be partners in building Amaravati. I am telling you, it will be the best city in the near future. All Indians can be proud of it. That is where we are planning in a big way. Another thing, we are planning for next 22 years, 15% growth rate. Then only, we are going to become developed nation, but we should not trap in middle income group. That is also one more issue all of us has to keep it in mind. This is also important issue. 15% growth rate, 2.4 trillion US economy, from 2.66 lakh rupees per capita to 55 lakhs over a period of 22 years. All industrialists are here. You have done extremely well, sometimes 10 years, 20 years time. Why can't I do for my people? That is my determination. I am working in that direction. That is the one thing I wanted to inform you. Earlier, 95s, high-tech city, IT I promoted. Now, Quantum Valley with artificial intelligence. That is my slogan now. First quantum computing is coming to Amaravati in India. TCS, IBM, L&T, they agreed to set up. Work is going on. By January, it will be in full operation. All of you I am inviting, use this quantum computing for better results of your business. This is where we have wanted to integrate all these things. Investment always I am using ease of doing business. Now I have changed my gear to speed of doing business. Now speed is very essence. Not only ease of doing business, speed of doing business. That is where we are doing. Recently, ArcelorMittal steel plant is coming nearly 1,43,000 crores. BPCL refinery in Ramayapatnam, and also Aramco also as partner. TCS is starting in Visakhapatnam. LG Electronics in Sri City. Even Google, we are talking to them to invite to Visakhapatnam. And also with data center and also with analytics. That is the biggest facility they are going to create in the near future.